Welcome to this key feature video on repository widgets in WebFocus Designer. The repository widgets provide additional innovative ways of using your content and incorporating it into your Designer page. There are two widgets currently available in WebFocus Designer, Explorer and Link Tile. You can access both widgets from the Content tab of the Resource Selector. The Explorer widget allows you to put the WebFocus Explorer onto your page and use the WebFocus homepage features to navigate your content. To use the Explorer widget, start with a blank template and drag the widget on the canvas. As you can see, the widget expands to incorporate the full view of the WebFocus Explorer. Maximize the container to fill your page. You can optimize the look of your page by removing the page and container titles and toolbars. Run the page to see how seamlessly it incorporates the features of the WebFocus Explorer. The Link Tile widget arranges content in such a way that one content item becomes a click-through tile that opens another content item. This feature is especially useful when you need to incorporate a large or insight-enabled item into a page and display it on all devices. To use the Link Tile widget, simply drag it onto the canvas. The widget displays as an empty placeholder. In the Properties panel, select an image or a content item that you want users to see when the page loads. Keep in mind that any interactive features in the content are disabled when it displays in the link tile background. Select the target item and determine how the target item will display in the viewer or in the new window. Run the page to check the behavior. See how by clicking on the background image or item, you run the target item. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.